Right, if you saw the servicing video for the Barracuda 940, the posh Barracuda, very genuine set. I don't think it's been messed with, and we've got some very good results. Receive at 0.2 microvolts with 12 decibel SINAD. We've got full 4 watt output. We're going to run with our standard replacement mic, and then at the end I'll go through to the base station with the factory original mic, which is the opposite to what we did with the Sapphire X4000 a few days ago, which is effectively the same kind of radio. I didn't find that the original microphone was that sensitive. Mr. Chippie was asking me to speak up even though the deviation on the radio is right. So we'll run with the standard replacement mic and we'll see if that fares better. So go to Mega Chippie channel. The only noise I've heard on this radio was somebody pretending to emit wind. This time we'll remember to have mic gain up because these controls to me are a funny way around. Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger. But whilst he says that, we'll plug in the extension speaker.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yep, Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that for go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house to recording.
Roger on that. I've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of it.
Medium.
Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that. That's demonstrated.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station on 32.9 and 142.9.
There we are, still open, got a glimmer of light.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Well, that's it for doing.
Yeah, we'll do it this time of year, time of day, not time of year, but it's that again.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Barracuda HP940 from 1981, Cybernet 134 up the tier model, using a standard replacement mic and meridian to a full 4 watt output.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problems. Going over to level crossing. Over.
Where's you got you going over to level crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Where's got you at the Greyleys turn?
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on Barracuda HP940 Cybernet 13feb26 1981. I'm on a standard replacement white. We're doing full force output. The radio's going 1.2 amps. We're going to go to low power set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're on low power now. The radio's going 550 milliwatts and delivering 400 milliwatts of power. now go over to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger all that. All received, no problems on either.
Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going to have Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9, 144.7.
That's excellent. That was an absolute treat. Thank you very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going to have Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, we're quick getting there. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 136.9, 144.7.
That's excellent. That was an absolute treat. Thanks very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Now you can't ask more than that. Another brilliant set. Go to our base station, see what it sounds like, and I'll dig out the factory original mic. So like with the Sapphire, it's the same style. Looks virtually unused, this one. So we're going to be using the standard coffin mic as we have been doing, and then we'll move over to the original Barracuda one.
Tango 21 testing the radio now on the factory original starting. Tango 21 testing the Barracuda radio with the standard replacement mic we've been using for this whole test. Go to low power for hum test. Then we're on low power, still was a hum, it would diminish on low power.